Hi everyone, I'm here in the Giving Garden at our local fairgrounds and I'm going to be quick about this. I just want to give you a quick little demo how to use a refractometer, how to check to see if it's calibrated, and what the process looks like. So in order to check to see if it's calibrated, use a little deionized water or distilled water, put it on the prism and look towards the light. It should read at a 0 with a really sharp line between the blue hemisphere and the white hemisphere. Then you'll know it's calibrated. If it's not on the 0, then what you want to do is each one of these will have a little adjuster, and you'll do the same calibration and you'll adjust it till it goes down to 0 and you get a nice sharp line. What we're going to do now is we're just going to take some of this mint plant and squeeze some sap from it. We're at about 7 o'clock at night, and so these plants have already started to send some of their sugars down to their sugar sinks wherever they are, usually the roots if it's going to be mint like this. So its Brix will be lower than what it would have been at peak sun, which is going to be in between 3 p.m. or in between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. I'm using a modified vice script. If you're a member of the Bionutrient Food Association, you have an opportunity to order this with your membership. You can get a modified vice grip and you can get a refractometer. You can also find those separately online if you so desire. So we're just going to need about 2 drops of sap. It's coming on slowly here. Put a couple drops on the prism, look to the light, and we're seeing like a 10.2, nice blurry line. Knowing that it's after peak sun, knowing that this mint is just wild and crazy and in its great vegetative phase, it's probably about to go into its reproductive phase. I need to harvest it and take it to our local food pantry. It's pretty good. 12 would be better, but that's how you use a refractometer.